Morning, class.
Good morning,
Good
How
morning.
are you all? How are you all?
ma'am. Fine.
Very good. Ready for the revisions?
Yes,
Okay. Fine, fine, fine. So today we will do civics chapter uh, electoral politics, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Oh. Am I audible to all?
yes, ma'am.
Fine, 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 fine. Uh, fine. Your first question is, how many constituencies are there in India?
Ma'am, 543.
543.
Very
543.
543. Very good. Who are not allowed to vote in an election even though they may be above 18 years old?
Ma'am, the persons who are having criminal record.
Criminal
Yes,
and
ma'am. Criminal record.
Yes.
and one who are mentally unfit.
Very good.
Some with
Huh?
unsound mind.
Very
The
good.
people have unsound mind and a criminal background.
Right. Very good. Very good. Very good. What is the minimum age required for a person to be elected in the parliament?
25 years.
Ma'am, 25.
5 years.
Very
the
good.
minimum
25
age.
years. Very good. Who conducts elections in India?
Election
Election
commission.
Commission
Election
of India.
Commission.
Very good. Election Commission of India. Very good, class. You have to give one word for the following. I will ask you some statements. You will give one word for that, okay? Your first statement is division of the state on the basis of population from where a representative can stand for election to the Lok Sabha and state assemblies.
Constituency.
Constituency.
Very good.
Constituency.
Very good, Viresh. Very prompt. Okay. Okay. Next is a complete list of the names of voters eligible to vote in an election.
Voters list.
Voters list.
And what is the official name of this voters list?
Ma'am,
Electoral
electoral.
roll.
Electoral roll.
Very good. Electoral roll. Very good. Very good. Next is a set of norms and guidelines to be followed by political parties and contesting candidates.
Code of conduct.
Code of conduct. Very
Code of
good.
conduct.
Very good. Code of conduct. Well done. Next, the percentage of eligible voters who cast their votes in an election.
Ma'am, turnout.
Voters turnout figure.
Turnout. Very good, Nena and Gargi. Very good. The turnout figure. Very good. Then voters' photo and details are given on this card as a proof
EPI.
of their eligibility to vote. What is it? What is the full form of
EPIC.
EPIC? क्या है full form इसका?
Identity card.
Identity card.
Election
Election
photo
photo
identity
identity
card.
Election photo
Elect-
identity card.
Very good, Aiza. Very good. Very good. Election photo identity card. Next is the head of the election commission who oversees the elections in the country.
Chief Election Commissioner.
Chief
Very
Election
good.
Commissioner.
Very good.
commissioner.
Chief election commissioner. Very good, Gargi. Very good. Fine. Now you have to tell whether the statement is true or false. Tenure of the Lok Sabha is 5 years.
Ma'am,
False.
true. Ma'am, sorry, false.
Tenure of Lok Sabha is 5 years.
Ma'am, 5 years only.
I'm true.
It is true, Aiza. It is true, not false. Okay?
Ma'am, it's 6 years in Rajya Sabha.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. The tenure of Rajya Sabha is 5 years.
False.
False.
So what is the tenure of Rajya Sabha?
6 years.
6 years.
6 years.
6 years.
6 years. Very good.
Ma'am, in
Sachin.
which 1/3 retire every 2 years.
Every
2
2 years.
years.
Very good. In a democratic system, yes, Pavni.
And ma'am, otherwise we say that Rajya Sabha is a permanent body.
It is a permanent house. But the members of this permanent house, they have a tenure of 6 years,
Okay, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Next.
Ma'am, can the members of Rajya Sabha be dissolved like Lok Sabha?
No, beta, no.
Ma'am, I have read somewhere that there are 3 sessions in Lok Sabha and ma'am in Rajya Sabha.
Beta, Lok Sabha has 3 sessions. One is summer, one is winter, and one is monsoon session, right? But Rajya Sabha
Yes,
has
ma'am.
no such session because Rajya Sabha participates in that only, no? The members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, they sit together for this.
Okay, ma'am.
And Rajya Sabha, generally, whenever a law is made, no, for passing a bill, then a joint session is commenced.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Now coming to the next question. In a democratic system, the government is elected by the parliament.
False.
True.
Ma'am, it is.
False. Gargi,
Ma'am,
very
it is
good.
false.
It is false. It is the people who elect the
The
representatives.
representatives.
Very good.
Ma'am, but if people sit together and vote, then also the government could be called democratic, no?
Beta, whether they are sitting together or standing together, the main way of conducting elections in the country is through votes only. So when votes are done, parliament has no role to play in that. Parliament comes when all the election process is over and the counting is over and a party, political party, particular political party that wins maximum of the votes is announced as the winner party. Then in that case, the role of parliament starts where the oath ceremony takes place when the president invites the winning political party to choose the prime minister who will be leading, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is franchise is the right to vote.
True.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
true. Very good. It is true. True. Very good.
Very true.
True. Very good. Very good. Next, head of the election
What did you
commission is.
say?
It is. I said franchise is the right to vote. The franchise is the right to vote only. Okay, it is correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Then the next question, the next statement is head of the election commission is the governor of the state. True or false?
False.
It is
Ma'am, it is false.
False.
very good. It
That's
is
all.
false. Next. Who introduced voter identity card in India? Do you know?
Someone from West Bengal.
No, no,
Ma'am,
no,
you
no.
told us once.
No, that was when the idea was given long time back. That was in 1980s. But who exactly initiated this? Who started this?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta Lavleesh. Okay, can you tell me who is the election commissioner of India right now?
TN Session.
बेटा TN सेशन तो कमिश्नर अभी नहीं है, वो तो रिटायर हो गए कब के.
Ma'am, no
Okay, ma'am.
idea.
Mr. Sunil
Is it
Arora.
Sunil Arora?
Yes, Mr. Sunil Arora is the, or Shri Sunil Arora is the Chief Election Commissioner of India right now. And
Can
it
you
was
tell me?
Mr. Syed Nazim Ahmad Zaidi who introduced the voter ID card in India.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Zainab, are you there?
Okay, ma'am.
Zainab, are you there in the class? Fine, I think she could not join. Chaliye, no issues. Now the next question is, who is the highest authority of an election process in a district? I repeat, who is the highest authority of an election process in a district?
Ma'am, ML.
Ma'am, election commissioner?
वो तो नहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Can you please repeat the
Village.
question?
Mm-hmm. Who is the highest authority of an election process in a district? बताओ.
Ma'am, CO.
Ma'am, the district magistrate.
Very good, Gargi. It is the district magistrate. The DM of that district is the highest authority of an election process. Right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Very good. Now choose the correct answers. But chalo. Some general questions which does not require any options for you. In those questions, I will not give you options. Where options are required, only there I will give you options, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
ठीक है.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Name the state with the largest Vidhan Sabha.
Ma'am, UP.
Ma'am,
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 UP.
It is UP. UP. Very good. UP.
Ma'am, due to because it has very large population.
Very good. Very good. Due to large population.
Ma'am,
What is
because it has large population.
okay? What is meant by franchise?
franchise is the
Ma'am,
right
the right to vote for
Ma'am,
every
the right to
citizen
vote.
above 18 years.
Very good. The right to vote is known as franchise. Very good. What is a legal declaration or an affidavit that includes in it? What does a legal declaration or an affidavit includes in it?
ma'am, and universal
Ma'am.
adult franchise.
No. Legal declaration or an affidavit. What these has in it?
Ma'am, the assets of the candidate.
The assets of the candidates. Okay. Legal declaration में assets नहीं होते हैं बेटा. Legal declaration में they always have serious criminal cases pending against the candidate. Of course, affidavit includes the details of assets and liabilities also. Right? Both
Okay,
can
ma'am.
be. Both can be correct. Both can be correct.
And ma'am, what they will give if they win the election also?
What? If they win the election also? In what case? In
Yes,
which
ma'am.
case? In which case?
Ma'am, if they win the election, then they will do this or that, like that.
No. That is manifesto. That is manifesto. It has nothing to do with the affidavit. Okay. Whatever
Okay,
their
ma'am.
future plans, whatever they have.
Can you please tell the spelling of this?
Manifesto.
No, ma'am, before that.
This affidavit.
Yes, ma'am.
AFFIDAVIT. Done?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Fine. Right. In a panchayat or municipal council, how many seats are reserved for women?
1/3.
Ma'am,
Very
one third
Ma'am,
of
1/3.
1/3 of the
one-third.
seats are reserved. Very good. Very good. Srishti, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Answers are not coming from your side?
Ma'am, I'm giving.
Okay, fine. A person whose name is in the voters list can cast a maximum of how many votes?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
one.
one vote.
Only one vote.
One
Very
vote, one
good.
value.
Only one vote, because one vote, one person, one value is the motive, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Elections in India for parliament and state legislatures are conducted by which agency? I
Election
repeat.
Commission.
Ma'am,
Election
election
Okay, very good. Very good.
Election Commission.
Very good, very good. Okay. To fill up a vacancy in legislature, which type of elections are held?
Ma'am,
By-election.
and
By-election.
Very good.
By-election.
And when a legislature is dissolved before the expiry of its normal term, then
Term election.
Midterm
General
election.
very
Midterm
good class. Midterm elections. Very good, very good. Which political party ruled over Haryana state between 1982 to 1987?
Ma'am, Nyayud.
Ma'am, Congress.
Ma'am, Congress.
Very good. It was
Congress, yes, ma'am.
Congress. ठीक है? हाँ. चलिए, very good. Who formed the party named Lok Dal?
Ma'am, Miss
Chaudhary Devilal.
Ma'am, Devilal.
Chaudhary
Very
Devilal.
Chaudhary
It was
Devilal.
Chaudhary Devilal. Well done, class. Now, when did the Lok Dal and BJP combine to form the government in Haryana?
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Repeating, when did the Lok Dal party and BJP party combine to form the government in Haryana?
1991.
Very good,
Ma'am,
class.
1982.
No, it is 1987.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, I had one doubt.
हाँ, पूछो.
Ma'am, in book it was written that after every 1/3 year, uh, the party changes. मतलब after every 3 years.
हाँ.
So, ma'am, this would lead to instability. So, ma'am, this is an asset or liability?
नहीं, दोबारा बताओ क्या कह रहे हो? After every
3 years.
नहीं, after every 5 years the government changes, बेटा.
Sorry, ma'am, after every third election. Ma'am, in book it was written that on calculating about the statistics we get that.
हाँ, that is because every time when the new political party comes into power, it of course has instability, because every time same party does not come to power, and when every time same party will not come to power, it will of course have instability in the governance.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, चलिए. What is the constituency where only an SC or ST candidate competes?
Reserved constituency.
Reserved
Constituency.
constituency.
Very good. It is reserved constituency. Very good. Reserved constituency. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the
the
president.
president.
Ma'am, the
The
president.
president.
Very good. The president of the country. Who is the
Country.
president of India right now?
Ma'am, Ramnath Kovind.
Shri
Mr.
Ramnath.
Ramnath.
Ma'am, Shri
Ramnath
Ramnath
Kovind.
Kovind.
Ramnath Kovind.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Next is, what is the motive behind reservations of constituencies?
So that minorities have equal proportion
Ma'am,
in
give
the
equal right to.
Backward
Everyone has
classes
Yes.
equal rights.
have equal rights in the vote.
Okay, Srishti Gautam, give me answer to this question.
Ma'am, they are reserved so as to give everyone equal right of vote of getting elected.
ठीक है. In simple language, if you have to write just for 1 marks, come again to this answer, Srishti.
They are
To ensure.
to ensure that everyone get equal right.
Equal representation, or in simple words, okay, Pavni.
Ma'am, this process of reserved constituencies is made by the government so that every class or all the backward classes get representation in the election.
ठीक है. Anybody else who would like to give? Anybody else who would like to give the answer to the same question?
same answer.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, same answer.
Yes, ma'am. Same.
Jigyasa, same answer. Jigyasa.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We can say it like this. To ensure proper representation to the weaker sections like SC and ST, the provision of reservation of constituencies was decided. Okay.
Taken.
Haan. And this provision was not taken by the government, it was taken by the constitution, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Haan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
Very
by
good.
the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Very good class.
how can the constitution be amended?
Beta, through constitutional amendment, no?
Yes, ma'am. Like
Huh.
it has to go to parliament or the president and prime
Yes,
minister will
no, no, no. It is either represented ordinary bill, through ordinary bill. It is presented either through by the Rajya Sabha or by the Lok Sabha. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. What is meant by rigging? What is meant
Ma'am,
by rigging?
Fraud or malpractices done in the election.
fraud
Huh.
or the
Ma'am,
malpractices which are
winning an
practiced by the
election.
ma'am, using the money to buy votes.
Huh. Or you can say unfair practice. Huh. Following any unfair practice during the election process, right?
by the party or the candidate.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Hmm. I am giving you 4 options here: Parliament, Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabha, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the question is, which one of the following is a directly elected house? Which one?
Lok
of the-
Sabha.
Huh? It
Ma'am,
is
Lok
the
Sabha.
Sabha.
Lok Sabha. Very
Lok
good. It is
Sabha.
the Lok Sabha. Very
Lok
good
Sabha.
class. Very good. Can you tell me? अच्छा, अब हम नाम लेंगे, वो ही केवल आंसर बताएंगे हमको, ठीक है? So, Lavlish. Lavlish, are you there? Lavlish. Harsh. शोएब.
Yes, ma'am.
लवलीश बेटा हमें इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर बताइए. What is an EVM? What is an EVM? Do you know the answer, Lavlish?
Mm,
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Abhyuday? Abhyuday, do you know the answer? Abhyuday?
Ma'am, are you asking for definition or yes,
I am asking for definition only, beta. What is EVM? What is an EVM? बताओ.
ma'am, evidence-based mediation.
लवलीश. आयजा बताओ बेटा, डेफिनेशन क्या है इसकी EVM की, आयजा?
Ma'am, EVM is known as electronic voting machine through which the
Votes.
citizens are casting their votes to the
हाँ.
particular party or the candidate.
Very good, very good.
Ma'am, the name
And-
of the party is written and its symbol. The candidate to vote, which has to vote, has to press the
किसका?
name of the party, and the vote is counted.
वो सब कुछ नहीं. बहुत मुश्किल आती है. हाँ, दोबारा बताओ बेटा. वीरेश, आपकी आवाज कट रही थी, दोबारा बताओ.
Ma'am, the participant has to yes, ma'am. Participant has to click on the symbol of the party, and on the side the name of the party is also given. So the party, the candidate has to click on the name of that
Okay.
Ma'am, this
पर्टिकुलर. हाँ, चलो गार्गी. गार्गी,
machine is used to control.
Yes, ma'am.
गार्गी हमें आंसर बताओ पूरे उसका प्रॉपर. EVM क्या होती है? What is an EVM?
Ma'am, EVM stands for electronic voting machine. It is nowadays used for casting votes. It has the name of the party and the party symbol written on it, and all that the voter has to do is to press the button which is in front of the party for which the voter wants.
Exactly. Very good. See, it is a okay. Pavni, would you like to answer?
Yes, ma'am. Almost the same. That the full form for EVM is electronic voting machine, and it is a kind of electronic machine where the name of the party and its symbol is given, and the one who is casting vote has to press the button against the party he wants to vote,
Very
he or
good.
she wants to vote, and that the vote is casted.
Very good. Very good. Sachin?
मैम सेम
नहीं सेम थोड़ी, एग्जाम में सेम थोड़ी लिखोगे, जो पावनी ने लिखा है वही सेम. अपना आंसर बताओ.
it is electrical voting machine in this
हाँ.
machine there are party symbol and party's name the voter who wants to vote for which party to give their vote press the button and give their vote.
Very good. In other words, we can say EVM is the electronic voting machine that is used to record votes, right? And this machine shows the names of the candidates and the symbols of their parties, right?
Yes ma'am.
ठीक है. चलो ये बताइए, ये ईवीएम मशीन जो है इसने किस मशीन को रिप्लेस करा था, किस चीज को रिप्लेस करा था? अनन्या. वेट गार्गी वेट. अनन्या, अनन्या सिंह. Ananya, are you there? Ananya, are you there?
Ma'am, may I?
अच्छा नहीं, रुको पावनी रुको. Daksh, are you there in the meeting or shall I remove you? Daksh, are you there? Srishti Gautam,
Yes, ma'am.
which machine, what was replaced by the electronic voting machine?
Ma'am, the ballot paper.
The ballot box. Very good. The ballot box was replaced by the EVM. Very good. चलिए, अब हमें ये बताइए कि what नहीं. Okay. What is an election? What is an election? Puneet. Puneet. Puneet.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, इलेक्शन क्या होता है? बताइए. Puneet, are you listening to me? Can you hear me? चलिए, जिज्ञासा बताइए, इलेक्शन क्या होता है? What is an election?
Ma'am, it is a procedure by which people elect their representatives in a democracy.
दोबारा बोलो. Election.
Ma'am, election is a procedure by which people elect their representatives in a democracy.
ठीक है, very good. ठीक है.
Ma'am, may I tell more accurate definition?
हाँ, ठीक है. ठीक है बेटा. Next is.
Ma'am, may I tell more accurate definition?
Yes, you can, Aiza. बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, election is a procedure through which in democracies the representatives are elected at equal intervals of time on the basis of universal adult franchise.
Okay, fine. Anybody else for the same definition, class?
None.
Ma'am, an election is a procedure by which representatives are chosen by people at certain intervals of time.
Okay. This is also correct. Fine.
Ma'am, election is a method through which the citizens of any country
Hmm.
or democratic country, they elect or choose their representatives in a particular intervals of time.
हाँ, ये भी कह सकते हैं. And in other words, we can also say that an election is a contest. गोविंद नाथ. हाँ जी, हाँ जी. मैं भी जान नहीं रही हूँ. हाँ, अभिनाथ. हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ. अच्छा ठीक है, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. ओके. हाँ जी. Or in other words, beta, we can say an election is a contest between different political parties in order to get the people's support. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the simplest of the definition. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Next is can you explain any 4 conditions that make elections democratic? Yes, Naina?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell any 4 conditions that makes an election democratic.
Ma'am, the election procedure must be conducted in a free and fair way.
Very good, very good. Next, you give me the main points only. Explanation part I will give you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, the misuse of the government facilities should not be done.
नहीं, ये तो नहीं है. ये point नहीं आएगा बेटा.
Ma'am,
हमारा
can you please
Ma'am, may I tell
repeat
the-
May I?
listen
Beta,
properly?
the question is explain any 4 conditions that makes an election democratic. Explain any 4 conditions. Explain any 4 conditions that makes an election democratic. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. Yes, Naina was telling the answer. Naina, continue.
Ma'am, people above 18 years of age can give vote.
Right. बेटा
The
देखो 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 ये तो इलेक्शन प्रोसेस हुआ. हम किसी भी इलेक्शन को डेमोक्रेटिक बनाने के लिए क्या चीजों को फॉलो करना चाहिए, दैट यू हैव टू टेल. ठीक है?
it must not be pressurized.
बेटा यस जिज्ञासा, टेल बेटा. बताओ जिज्ञासा
Ma'am, the
बेटा.
election
हाँ.
few years.
Your voice is not clear बेटा.
Ma'am, she is saying that election.
Ma'am, may I write in the chat box?
Yes, you can write in the chat box. Beta, you do one thing, you write in the chat box, right? I'll read from there.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ हाँ.
Everyone has to do that.
No, no, no. Pavni, you can tell the answer because your voice is clear.
Ma'am, may I also tell?
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
1 point.
After Pavni. हाँ, Pavni बताओ.
One point can be that a thing which makes an election democratic is that the people are not forced to vote for a particular party and they can choose their particular party on their own will and
Yes,
choice.
yes.
Ma'am, one vote can have one vote have one value, and one person can give only one vote.
Like Jigyasa has written one point that choice should be offered at regular intervals. That means after every particular duration of time period, elections should be held, right? Then there is one more topic, one more this thing heading was there in your chapter, that acceptance of the election outcomes. whatever the election outcome is there, people, the parties, political parties they need to accept that result. Real choice must be offered to the people. Yes, Gargi is writing this, very good. Then popular participation should be there to make any election democratic, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then
Everyone should.
I have written all 5.
I'm going through it one by